I still don't get it, Madam Chair. Why she cannot disclose it in public? Hindi po ba, Madam Chair, isn't it more natural to expose it in public so that she is protected? I don't get it, Madam Chair. I really don't get it. If you are having a death threat, you wanted to say it in public so that you can be protected. If you really wanted protection, Madam Chair. So it doesn't make sense. Hiding it doesn't make sense, Madam Chair.
I agree, Sen. Joel. Actually, kung talagang may death threat, mas talagang gustong, kung talagang humihingi ng proteksyon, walang kinalaman ng security threat din sa pagsagot lang tungkol sa pangalan ninyo. That's already established. The threat will not be made worse by confirming what is in documentary evidence. But in any case, gusto kong ipaalala sa iyo na ayon nga sa Supreme Court, in the case of the Office of Court Administrator VU, the right to self-incrimination does not prohibit legitimate inquiry in non-criminal matters. Ad nauseam na po ito. Halos naduduwal na po kami sa pag-ulit-ulit nito. No? Alice Guo, ladies and gentlemen, is continuing to lie to this committee despite glaring evidence that she is a Chinese national named Guo Huaping, whose father, Jian Zhongguo, is Chinese, based on her own declaration in this committee, and whose mother, Lin Wenyi, is also Chinese, based on her own declarations in bank documents, by the way, verified by the AMLAC. This is a blatant defiance of the legislative's constitutional power of inquiry. Lumalabas na pinaglalaroan mo ang aming batas, pinapaikot mo ang mga Pilipino. Pero ibahin mo ang Senado. Ibahin mo ang Senado. I move to cite Guo Huaping, also known as Alice Guo, in contempt of the Senate for testifying falsely and evasively before this committee.
Second motion, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Sen. Joel. Yes, Sen.
Madam Chair, when we were in recess kanina, the pending matter was the refusal to give us details of the death threats that she herself brought before us.
And
Siya si binolunteer niya sa information sa atin eh. Then pinupurso namin ayaw mong sagutin. Ngayon, I think the prevailing sentiment is hindi siya makahingi ng executive session. Sagutin niya ngayon lahat. Yung kasi kung totoo naman na may death threat ka, na-monitor ka na rin nung nagbigay ng death threat sa'yo, kahit may executive session, di alam na rin niya, sinabi mo na rin sa amin, ikaw pa rin yung source. Kaya hindi kami papayag sa executive session. Ngayon, ang prevailing sentiment, if I'm not mistaken, is you have to answer the questions relating to that particular subject matter na ikaw mismo ang nagboluntaryo palabasin sa hearing na ito.